Welcome to the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets. The euro continued to skyrocket against the dollar last week on expectations of lowering the interest rate differential between the euro-denominated bonds and US Treasuries. However, the US dollar was supported on Tuesday after US President Trump announced a set of fiscal stimulus measures, including payroll tax relief. The British pound strengthened against a weakened dollar last week. However, the gloomy prospect of the EU-UK post-Brexit negotiations that started last week and predictions by some analysts that the UK could slip into recession due to the impact of the coronavirus kept the upside limited. The Japanese currency jumped higher last week as risk-off sentiment overwhelmed financial markets and spooked investors. Gold prices rallied after the US Federal Reserve unexpectedly cut rates by 50 basis points. In addition, the spread of the coronavirus supported the yellow metal. Italy is now under the most severe restrictions after a jump of around 2,000 infections and 100 deaths. Worldwide, the number of affected people reached 114,000, with over 64,000 people recovered, while 4,000 died. Stock indices were in freefall last week as investors panicked that the spread of the coronavirus will send the global economy into recession. On Monday, the New York Stock Exchange suspended trading due to sharp drops in stock prices beyond allowed limits, and indices recorded their worst day since 2008. Crude oil prices crashed on Monday, seeing the largest drop since 1991. The OPEC Plus initiative practically collapsed. Saudi Arabia and Russia didn't agree on further output cuts after March the 31st, whilst the Desert Kingdom announced a price war, reversing its attempt to prop up prices and instead increasing production to a record high of around 12.3 million barrels per day by offering discounts for customers. Russia responded this week, Tuesday, stating it would also begin to increase production. You've been watching the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets.